Welcome back to Aussie Furniture Flippers. My name is Rebecca and today we'll be unboxing our amazing Carts Millie's products. So I have a few extra goodies in here today since Carts Millie's had a huge sale and I couldn't resist just getting a few things that I really wanted. Okay, let's go ahead and open our box. Alright, here's our first lot. That's a lot of paint. Oh, these are so nice. Okay, first up, I have my Carts Millie's Enormous Mustard. That's a good name, actually. And it looks so beautiful. It's enormous. Enora Mustard. I'll be using my Enora Mustard on my desk or my old antique set of drawers. I haven't decided which one to put it on yet, but I know it'll look amazing on both of them. Okay, let's go ahead and see our next one. Oh, I wanted this one. It's got Samba. So it's my Carts Millie's Washed Away Samba. I really love this stain and I can't wait to use this. So when I get when I have any chance of using it on my raw woods, I will definitely use it. Let's go ahead and see our next one. Whoa, this is good. Alright, so now I have my Carts Millie's Pine Tree. This one I'm going to be using on my dresser. Oh, I forgot. I'm using it on my dresser, which will be out in 1 to 2 videos. And it is going to look amazing. I really love that dark color, and it's a nice deep green that'll look amazing with my drawers that I'm doing. Oop, I've spoiled a bit what I'm doing. Don't worry, we have more in there. The next one we have is our beautiful Carts Millie's Sailboat. I love great colors. I don't know why, but I just feel like they look amazing on anything. So this one will actually look like a grey blue color. It's just, you have to make sure you stir it or shake before you use. But wait, we have more. This is only the first one. So go ahead and check out Carts Millie's website. When they have sales, it gets so cheap. It's a nice chance just to play around with different colors, and their products are so amazing to use. Anyway, let's go ahead and open our next one. It's like Christmas, it's come early. So now we have our Carts Millie's Cup of Joe. So these little ones here are our 250ml and this one is our 500ml. And our lucky last one, our 1 litre one. Come on now, don't be shy. Our beautiful red colour, Carts Millie's The Old Place. Now this is our 1 litre one. These are all our new amazing products that we will be using. I'm really excited that I got this red, The Old Place, because one of my clients, she wants it like a red, which is going to be really interesting and nice challenge. Anyway, these are our gorgeous colors. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below to get more videos like this one. Thank you. Bye! They're all so pretty. I'm not sure which one's my favorite. That one. I like sailboat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and ring that notification bell to get more videos like this one. I'm done!